Man, I'm so sick getting grounded. I'm going to destroy the grandparents' washing machine, Samsung. Ha 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 ha. David and Grandma.
What do you want this time?
Yeah, what do you want this time?
I'm gonna destroy your washing machine, Samsung.
No, Caillou, don't do that. If you do that, I'm gonna call your parents.
Too late. I'm gonna destroy your washing machine, Samsung. In 3, 2, 1.
Bald Caillou, how dare you destroy my washing machine, Samsung?
That's it. I'm calling your parents about this.
Hello. This is Boris speaking.
Hi, Boris. Bald Caillou destroyed my grandparents' Samsung washer. Can you ground him, please?
He did what? Oh, ho. Thanks for telling me about this.
Okay, goodbye.
Bald Caillou, 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 bald Caillou. Get over here right now, now. You are in a lot of trouble.
What is it, Dad?
Did you destroy the grandparents' Samsung washing machine?
Yes, I did, because I hate Samsungs.
Oh, Bald Caillou. How dare you destroy the grandparents' Samsung washing machine? That's it. You grounded for 28282826272415162726272727272727272727272727272727272727272727 years. Go to your room right now.
Hey.